Hi guys, it's Mamaw Yates, and today I want to show you my brand new product. I'm really excited about this. I've been working on it for quite some time. And this is writing support for the planning commentary. Eventually, I'll have writing support for um, all of the commentaries, and I will also have one for a lot of different handbooks. But just to get this started, so here, for example, you've got task one, prompt one, and here's the prompt. This is the one for elementary literacy. There's a link to take you to um, a video tutorial, and let me see if I can get it to go there. Yes. So I click Control, and then here's the video tutorial. Oops. So this, of course, this one's got an ad, but there I am. So that kind of gives you an idea there. Um, Going back. Now, here is another video this particular video is for these people who are in elementary literacy. Next, I've got a writing strategy. So you would just put down these things in this box. Here you get to click on a sample. So you're going to click Control, and then there you go. And here's a sample of how you might write that prompt. It should be helpful for a lot of you. Sometimes it's just kind of knowing looking to see how somebody else approached writing it can help us a lot. A sample is a really good support for students. So once you've watched the video, you've done some pre-writing organization, you've looked at the sample, now you're going to write your own. And as you write here this is where you'll write your own response. And as you can see, it's fillable. So it's going to expand to however big you need it to be. I also have over here comments. So every time you see a little speech balloon, I give you some, like here I say sentence starters to try. So I give you some sentence starters here. This one, as you can see, kind of explains. I sort of translate the prompt for you because the prompts are sort of hard to understand, aren't they? And then here we've got, let's find another one with the little speech balloon. Here's one, just a reminder. I give you a reminder about what that means. So just some necessary things to kind of keep you going. So will take you through every single prompt. So here you see starting with this one, let's say you've got prompt 1C. This part is here in red because this is something that is different for all handbooks. So whenever something is in red, it's because it's different. Here's the video that goes with 1C. Here's the writing strategy, the reminders about it. Then I have an outline. So the suggested outline is one that's very similar, if not identical, to the one that's shown in the video that I talk about. You click here to do a sample response. This link just takes you back up to the outline, and then you, of course, write in the gray box. So this goes on for every single prompt. I have a video link. I have a writing strategy. Almost always have an outline. Not always, but I think almost always, unless it's so short, an outline would be silly. There are almost always some kind of notes, kind of help you. And it goes all the way through. You can see why this took me a while to make. And so we go all the way through, and it's just pages and pages long. But we're not worried about that because the only part we're really worried about is what we end up writing, right? And then once you're finished, you can copy and paste all of your responses that you've put in gray and put them in the correct box on your template, your official template. So happy writing, and I'm sure you're going to do great. Just hang in there, and you can always find me on Facebook with edTPA with Mamaw Yates. Send me a message if you've got questions. See you later.